Do you have a rotten egg smell in your water? Does it have discoloration and you can't drink or cook with it? You have a hydrogen sulfide problem. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the 4 best sulfur filters for well water based on performance, price, and overall value. All of these models will eliminate the bad smell and taste from water throughout your entire home and end your sulfur issues once and for all. Don't forget to check the description below for more info and exclusive discounts. Let's dive in. Starting with the top overall choice is the SpringWell Sulfur Filter System for well water. If you have sulfur, iron, or manganese issues, this whole house filter system is for you. SpringWell's WS system is designed to be the economical and environmentally friendly solution for private wells. That means no more staining or rotten egg smell for your water. The SpringWell WS uses the latest air injection oxidation technology. The filter system maintains an air pocket in the top of the tank, and as the water passes through the air pocket, iron, sulfur, and manganese are oxidized, allowing the system to remove the now oxidized contaminants from the water. For an AIO system, it's very rare to have the ability to remove high levels of both sulfur and iron at this price point. Because the SpringWell well water filter comes with a Bluetooth-enabled smart head, installation and setup is easy. The innovative application gives you complete control over all settings right in your smartphone. View water usage, set backwash cycles, and change valve settings at the touch of a button. Since the system includes everything you need for installation, there's no additional cost necessary. And once it's installed, there's no drop in water pressure. The SpringWell WS has 2 different models designed based on the number of bathrooms in your home to guarantee optimal water pressure. SpringWell is one of the few companies building their products in the USA with only certified components. The best part? It's backed with a lifetime warranty and a 6-month money-back guarantee. The pros are its innovative mobile app control center. It removes up to 8 ppm of hydrogen sulfide, up to 7 ppm iron, and 1 ppm manganese. It removes sulfur and rotten egg smell and water discoloration. It efficiently conserves water and backwash cycles, and it has a lifetime warranty and 6-month guarantee. The cons are that professional installation may be required if you're not DIY inclined, and the sediment filter may need to be cleaned frequently if water is heavily contaminated. At number 2 is the best for very high sulfur levels, the Matrixx Infusion Iron and Sulfur Removal System. This system is a heavy-duty solution guaranteed to solve even the most stubborn well problems. It's capable of removing a massive amount of sulfur, up to 30 ppm and 20 ppm iron. The Matrixx Infusion system injects hydrogen peroxide using a professional-grade injection system to oxidate and remove iron, manganese, and hydrogen sulfide once and for all. When hydrogen peroxide is injected into well water in combination with the catalytic carbon filter media, a large amount of dissolved oxygen is released and strong oxidation takes place. The additional bonus with this system is that the hydrogen peroxide is suitable to eradicate a variety of microorganisms like viruses and bacteria from your water too. An automatic backwash is then performed every day or 2 by the control valve, which flushes the bed and cleans it for the next cycle. Importantly, the Vortec tank design will save water and increase flow rate through backwashing. Setup and maintenance with the Matrixx is simple because of the Bluetooth-enabled smartphone app. The smart valve system integrates directly with your smartphone, and you'll have access to real-time data and settings. The precise electronic meter means contaminants are removed even in high water flow periods with minimal wastewater. Because the Matrixx system is made in the USA and utilizes only professional-grade NSF-certified parts, you can count on it lasting for years to come. The pros are the lifetime warranty carbon tank, 10 years on valves, and 5 years on injection panel. It's the most effective way to eliminate rotten egg sulfur smell, removes sulfur up to 30 ppm, iron up to 20 ppm, and manganese up to 1 ppm. It has a Bluetooth application for monitoring and settings. It uses up to 30% less water during backwash cycles. And it's made in the USA with NSF certified parts. The cons are that it's a more premium priced option, it may require professional installation, and it requires purchasing hydrogen peroxide. Next is the best budget option, the SoftPro Whole House Filter for well water. If you're operating on a tighter budget but don't want to sacrifice on performance, the SoftPro is an ideal option. Capable of removing 5 ppm of sulfide and 30 ppm of iron, this is a great all-around filter that won't break the bank. Most sulfur filters will do a decent job at removing it, but with new technology and design, some models have greatly improved performance. Currently, high-efficiency AIO technology is a standout. The SoftPro Advanced Air Injection Oxidation System utilizes air as a natural oxidizer to boost sulfur removal. The smart control valve and 1-inch ports on the sulfur filtration tank maintain high flow rates and are guaranteed to reduce high-level amounts of iron, manganese, and hydrogen sulfide. This means you can use more water at a time without a drop in the water pressure. It also comes in 3 size options, depending on the size of your household: 1.0 cubic feet, 1.5 cubic feet, and 2.0 cubic feet. The SoftPro is very intuitive since it comes with a large, easy-to-read LCD display. The electronic touchpad LCD show makes setup and troubleshooting very easy with no complex symbols or codes. An additional feature we like is the vacation mode and battery backup that keeps the system operating for 48 hours in case of a power outage, so you don't have to reprogram it every time you lose power like many other options. The pros are it comes with a lifetime warranty and 6-month money-back guarantee. It removes up to 5 ppm of sulfur, 7 ppm manganese, and 30 ppm iron. It has large 1-inch ports for high water pressure, and a next-generation electronic control head. The cons are that it can be more difficult to install than comparable models, and it does not have a Bluetooth-enabled mobile app. Next is a close runner-up, the AquaOx RE Sulfur Filter System. The AquaOx RE edition was created for extreme rotten egg smell. The media that comes preloaded in the system is designed specifically for sulfur removal. The unit features a high-efficiency single-tank design to efficiently and cost-effectively eliminate sulfur and iron. The AquaOx has a pocket of air at the top of the tank to oxidize water that passes through. It works best for sulfur up to 8 ppm and iron up to 2 ppm. To better conserve water, it utilizes double vortex technology for backwashing efficiency, which reduces water waste and can save hundreds of gallons of water throughout the year. The AquaOx system is fitted with a digital control head to automatically backwash the system daily, helping clean impurities and contaminants down the drain. The valve can measure water usage and initiate regeneration automatically. With a patented piston in the control valve, this filtration system is able to control the oxidation process in one tank, keeping the maintenance costs down. You can also adjust the unit to regenerate more frequently if required. For example, if you have high sulfur levels or higher than average water usage. With basic plumbing skills, you can easily install this system as they provide an easy-to-follow guide. Best of all, the system is backed with a 10-year warranty. The pros are that it removes 8 ppm of sulfur and 2 ppm of iron. It's relatively inexpensive for the performance. It ships preloaded with media for easy installation. It comes with a 10-year warranty, and there's an easy setup with no pumps or chemicals necessary. The cons are that only one configuration is available with a flow rate of up to 12 GPM, and it doesn't have as many technology features as the other models on our list. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.